So my name is Dr. Habiba Lais. I'm a Ultrasonic Innovation Scientist at Tribosonics. Prior to joining, my background was in power ultrasonics, where I've obtained an industrial-led PhD.
Hello, I'm Megan Jenkinson-Garner. I'm an Ultrasonic Innovation Scientist here at Tribosonics. I joined just over 3 months ago, but I have worked in the ultrasonic industry for over 4 years now. I'm working towards a PhD in the design and characterization of passive acoustic materials for ultrasonic applications. So this is a pretty good example of what we would do on a typical day in the office or the lab. So we have some sensors here, and Habiba can talk us through what she's doing.
Sure, so here I have a high frequency transducer which is connected to a pulse receiver. Here I'm able to connect settings to the transducer which can allow us to excite a discrete pulse, and by doing so I can then apply the transducer onto this block, and here we can see some signals on the screen which Megan can talk through.
Okay, so we can determine from the signals on screen which signal is coming from the back of the block, and then if we measure the thickness of it using a ruler or some vernier calipers, we can then work out the speed of sound in this material using the time that the signal occurs.
So the thing I enjoy the most at Tribosonics is being able to create research with impact so that it can allow ultrasonic technology to be fast-tracked into its field or application.
The thing I enjoy most about my role is problem solving. So it's always a puzzle that can actually make a difference. So whether we're helping out in the energy sector and using ultrasonics to solve their problems, or any other thing for looking for defects in different materials, characterizing materials, it's always a puzzle, and what can you use around you to solve it? And then the other thing I really enjoy is constant learning, because everything is changing in the world we live. It's always good to better your understanding.
So the reason why I joined Tribosonics is because I'd be able to be working with leading experts in ultrasound, but also being in a company that pride themselves in offering a full stack solution for innovative ultrasonic technology.
I chose to work at Tribosonics because it allowed me to use my skills in the ultrasonic industry to create sustainable-led innovations that could make a difference.
So one advice I'd give to an aspiring engineer is that engineering is not about being the most technical or the most knowledgeable. It's also about creativity, as creativity is what drives innovation.
My advice to an aspiring engineer would be to do work experience in any sector that interests you as soon as you can, because then you can find out whether or not you like that. Is it something you could see yourself doing? And it gives you a chance to ask questions to the people around you who've been doing it, kind of well, what's their days like? What do I need to do to get into this position? So it's a good way to find out what you need and whether or not you like it.